Hi everyone, it's Jada from Ramstein Library here to tell you about Britannica Image Quest, how you can access it, and some things that you can use it for. So the first thing you want to do is go to usafelibraries.org and hover over eLibrary. Now, you do have the option to access Britannica Image Quest and all of our other online resources via Milnet, but I am going to show you how to access them via your library card. That way you have access from anywhere and you can use any applicable apps that the different resources may have. So you're going to click on Access via Library Card and enter your library card number and click Submit. Once you do that, the page will reopen. It looks similar to the page we just left, but now you have the option to click on the resources. Couple of things to note from this page: if the resource requires an additional login code, some of them do, you will find those codes in the description box of that particular resource. The other thing to note on this page as well is where to find your library contact information. So if you click on your library here, you can find contact information for any of the USAFE libraries which you are a member of. Okay, so we're going to scroll down to Image Quest. Okay, click on that, and it will open up and look like this. Now, one of the great things about Britannica Image Quest is that you don't have to do any additional logging in or account creation. That library card access takes you directly to this site. Okay, and now what this is millions of rights cleared images from one trusted site. So a lot of times we may want to use images for different projects that we're creating, and you have to be a little bit careful to not use a copyright image that you don't have permission for or that you have not paid for. This is a really great site because you know that anything on this resource you can use free and you don't have to pay for it or get any additional permissions for it. Now, the really great thing about this resource, particularly in times of if you're homeschooling or if you're just wanting to teach the kids something at home, this is also really useful for teachers and educators, librarians as well, is that the Image Quest here by Britannica has created different projects and lesson plans that you can do with the kids. Okay, so for example, if you look right here, Learn with Projects, there's a feature project idea, but there are multiple projects, okay? So up here, if you go to project ideas, okay, there are some different project ideas listed here as well, also known as lesson plans, and I'll show you why I say that. So let's say we want to do a image dictionary, okay? So you click on See More About This Idea, and it has a project summary, student learning objectives, concepts, and how to implement step-by-step exactly what to do with the students. And then it's broken down further by age group or grade level. Okay, so if you are working with middle school students in social studies, right? So you click on that there, and there's all kinds of different options of things that you can do. Okay, so topic, resources. So if you want to teach your student about hieroglyphics, just click there, and there's a wealth of information for you to create a lesson plan. Use the one that's already built here for you. You can add to My Images and keep kind of a running list there on the site, or you can download it, use it for external, email the image to someone, anything like that, print it out. And then there's this really neat thing here that is cite. So you click on that and you tell it which style you want the citation to be in: MLA, APA, Harvard or Chicago manual. Okay. And then once you do that, you can click export, and it will download it into a text file for you so that you can copy paste into an additional document. So say you have a student that's writing a research paper on hieroglyphics in ancient Egypt. Great, so you've got some images to use here, and now you also have a citation ready to go ahead and put into that bibliography. So this is a really excellent resource for both just personal research or school projects or homeschooling, anything like that. Okay. Now make sure to like us on Facebook and follow our Instagram for the 86 FSS libraries for further information. We hope you enjoy the resource.